You really should have been there at the 22nd Annual New Jersey Statewide Transportation Conference. It's known as the Super Bowl of transportation, and this year it didn't disappoint. The energy in the room was electric as leaders unveiled billions of dollars in upcoming projects. With about 500 attendees, business, labor, and government leaders, it was a fantastic chance to hear about transformative initiatives like Transportation Commissioner Fran O'Connor announcing his department is opening bids for the $200 to $250 million Pulaski Contract 6A. New Jersey Transit President and CEO Kevin Corbett didn't disappoint when he unveiled his agency's new $17 billion five-year capital program. New Jersey Turnpike Authority Executive Director Jim Carone announced his team is fast-tracking the mammoth expansion of exits 1 through 4 on the New Jersey Turnpike. Amtrak getting in on the action too, announcing it's got more than 700 construction projects, each worth more than $200 million. Not to be outdone was the Gateway Development Commission, which said it expects to execute a $3.8 billion federal-state partnership agreement for the Hudson River Tunnel project in the next few days. The great news kept coming and coming from all our speakers. Each year, the New Jersey Statewide Transportation Conference is a one-of-a-kind chance to connect with the leaders shaping our transportation future. We've got more great events coming, 10 more before the end of the year. If you miss them, you'll really miss out on valuable opportunities to build your business. And that's the bottom line. I'm Jerry Keenan, president of the New Jersey Alliance for Action, building a better future.